Hey friends, now we are going to unbox a 100 watt stereo amplifier board. Come on, let's unbox it. Let's cut the pack with the scissors. Then another box, right? Let's see in what's inside this. Yeah. Seems here the package is somewhat damaged, right? But I may think this not affect the product. Let's see what's inside. When you open, we can see a cover. I mean the bubble cover. Yeah. Oh, see this. The MP3 decoder. Not the MP3 music decoder. It has Bluetooth, and from here inside we can see the amplifier board, and nothing is inside this box. Let's take the box. We got the remote, infrared IR remote for this music decoder. Let's see it after. First, let's come to see about this amplifier board. Let's open this. It's already open, not in the sealed manner. Knob of the potentiometer. Come on. Yeah, I take it out. We got 3 potentiometer for volume, bass and control. So we got the 3 potentiometers. And the amplifier board, all I get at solder. I order the soldered parts only. Let's remove this. Oh. Yes. Hey friends, now we can see this is the amplifier board, audio amplifier board, and the 3 potentiometers for bass, treble and volume control, the speaker output, the left and right output, and power input. Here this is the output for Bluetooth, I mean the MP3 decoder module. 5 volt power input for this, and this may be the audio input for this amplifier. Yeah. Now you can see this amplifier uses double 4440 IC, and it's a stereo amplifier. Okay friends, now we can see the audio decoder and its remote, right? Let's keep it apart. Potentiometer knobs, right? It's running away. First let's see the remote for that. Yeah, it comes in a black color remote. Depends on, right? And IR sensor, IR LED, and they gave a code here. I may think it for the battery. They gave with the battery, right? The button battery. This could be. They gave with this battery. It seems good, right? Just placed in. Let's keep it inside this pack itself. When testing, I will take it out. Let's now unbox this. It is being packed well. We remove the pack, and it seems right here we can it reads USB, TF, SD card, aux cable. You can use the aux cable also, and it has Bluetooth also. We need to give the power input here, and audio make I think the audio